Look at this, John. I'm not bitching about you, I'm bitching about UPS. Fucking holes poked through the cardboard that you laid in on top to help protect it. One fucking vent tube full of styrofoam and bent over. Fucking assholes. It even poked through the sheet that you gave me telling me about the carburetor. Fucking UPS about sucks anymore. Okay. As I was digging the stuff out, layer after layer. The first one, of course, was wood. That was just a little splinter there that I trying to peel it out. Layers of paper. I guess like my box, the cardboard box. That's paper. That's actually cardboard right there. If I would hold the damn thing where it belongs. That's probably paper from the sheet that you gave me with it. So I'll be going down in here in a minute and making sure she's still good.